In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image and a text box side by side, and then adjust the layout and spacing manually to ensure everything looks perfect. First, let's start by opening the software or app you'll be using to create this design. This could be a graphic design software or a simple word processor. Once you've got that open, the next step is to insert your image. You can do this by selecting the option that allows you to insert images, typically located in the Insert menu at the top of your screen. Once you've selected your image file from your computer, it should appear on your canvas or document. Now that we have the image in place, the next task is to add a text box. Look for the option to insert text, usually found near where you added the image. After selecting it, click on the area next to your image on your document to create the text box. The size of the text box can usually be adjusted by dragging its corners, so feel free to tailor it to fit next to your image in a way that looks balanced. With the image and text box placed side by side, our next focus is on the layout, making sure everything lines up nicely. You may want to align the top edges of both the image and the text box, so they look neatly arranged. Most software programs have alignment guides or grid lines you can enable, which will assist you in getting everything perfectly aligned. Once they're aligned, we move on to adjusting the spacing between the image and the text box. This is a crucial step for ensuring your document looks professional and isn't too cramped. Simply click and drag the text box or the image itself to increase or decrease the spacing. Aim for a clean, balanced look where neither element overshadows the other. Lastly, take a step back and view your overall design. If it looks a bit crowded, consider increasing the size of your entire document or canvas to give more breathing room. Conversely, if it feels too sparse, you can adjust the size of either the image or the text box to bring them closer together. Now is also the time to tweak any text within the text box to ensure everything lines up just as you want it to. And there you have it, a neatly arranged setup with an image and a text box side by side. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts and spacings until you find what looks best for your project. Thanks for following along, and I hope these instructions help you craft visually pleasing compositions every time.